fire drills coming up.
I'm doing my thing schedule. No? No?
We just need to wait until the fire alarm go off so we can evacuate. See right there, that's the fire alarm. We are luck. The fire didn't go off. The PA is going up.
Oh, I can't do it. That shit said, that shit says,
Hi. That doesn't sound like a fire alarm, that sounds like an earthquake alarm. So I believe it's an earthquake drill, I don't know guys. Let's see. So I was some question. What kind of drill is? Because fire drill, normally fire alarm go off. But because the PA siren's going off, the commentation might be earthquake drill. So yeah. We confirmed a fire drill, so yeah. It was ridiculous, it did not set off the actual fire alarm, guys, so yeah. Because I already asked questions. So yeah. That's it.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is pain